In this video, we are going to continue talking about proportional relationships and finding the x and the y to fill in this table using fraction numbers. So the first thing in this table that I need to do is I need to find k. In order to find k, we know that we divide y by x. So I look at the row where I have both y and x, and I divide. 4 1/2 divided by 9. Now, these have to be rewritten as improper fractions in order to divide. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and 9 can be rewritten as 9 over 1. Now, I need to change my division to multiplication. So 9 over 2 times, and I invert the divisor, 1 over 9. The 9 and the 9 will cross cancel, and that leaves me with 1 over 2. K equals 1/2. Then I write my equation for this relationship. Y equals K. In this case, I'm going to replace the K with 1/2 X. Y equals KX, or in this case, Y equals 1/2 X. Now, the next question asks me to find Y in row A. So I have this equation. I'm solving for y. 1/2 times the x in this row. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 6.5. I need to change 6.5 to an improper fraction. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So this becomes 13 over 2. 1 times 13 is 13. 2 times 2 is 4. Then I need to change this to a mixed number. 4 will go into 13 3 times with a remainder of 1 over 4. If you're typing this, make sure to leave a space between your whole number and your fraction. The next question asks us to find x in row C. I'm going to go ahead and write that answer in there. Okay, find x in row C. Again, I have the equation y equals 1/2 x. This time I know what y is. 8 2/3 equals 1/2 times x. I need to find x. So in this case, if I need to get the x by itself, if I need to solve for x, I'm going to divide. 8 2/3 divided by 1/2. Rewrite this as an improper fraction. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 is 26 over 3. Change it to multiplication. 26 over 3 times invert 2 over 1. 2 times 26 is 52 over 3. Change that to a mixed number. 3 will go into 52 17 times with a remainder of 1. So my mixed number is 17 1/3. Then for row D, it's asking me to find both of these numbers. So I need to look at this relationship. It tells me in the equation that y is 1/2 of x. So if this is 1/2, this is 1. So what two numbers would this number be half of this number? And when we add them together, we get 9. Well, it's odd, so I'm going to start with an odd number. If I start with 3 here, 3 is half of 6, and 6 plus 3 equals 9. And this row just may require some trial and error. Now, it asks me to write this as an ordered pair. I need to write the x term, then the y term. That is the ordered pair for this row if I were going to graph it.